Kinigilongi Kubor Bamtagasni. Hagador Barmang Tinka Jung Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, ka MLA but Ministry ka Sarkar Jala ka Dr. Amprin Amlingdo Klapan Pau ki Kantin Snolam gi Bajiliu, Halor ka Jinghat kan San Jung MP ka Shilong Dr. AJ Ricky Singkan. Habakran hapo ka yung darbar ka Dr. Amprin Kalaong, baga Jala Meghalaya ka du no yo we nongïalam ubadan ka jingangnud ban shakri yo upad ba, da ka jing ahitilut baga jing snutu ya ka jing jung ki briu. Kalak daw ba Dr. Singkon uday unong mi khmat ubatray shitam bad ubadan ka jingkalmen ban wanra ay ka jingkala ka babha ha ka jila kalaong ro ba watla ki jing pher jingmut ki dan ha ka kamsan perthei henry ha ka por ba jia kum gane ka jingjia bas ngosi ka jila ka yenglang ha ka jing tali ban ai buram khatdu ya uni unong yalam ka Dr. Amprin kalap ha ka khubor jing sngolam shaki ba hayeng asem jing Dr. Singkon da ka bakar pat yo blaybon ai mensim jing pentengan ba jing yai ne ha gane ka por ba khya kalapun kut da ka ba ong ba ka jing no sinyang jing ha ka san perthei jila kan sa ken mau ha ki pat ba ha ka history jong ka jila Meghalaya ha ka jing yalang ki dokhot ka yeng darbar ki la yang jar jaru kum ka dak ka jing buram ba jing sngosi halor ka ne ka jing do nong ka ba khrau
Dr. Ricky A.J. Singkon. His untimely passing has brought grief not only to this assembly, but to the people of Meghalaya whom we all serve. Though Dr. Singkon and I belonged to different political parties, moments such as these remind us that beyond our differences, we share a common purpose: the service of our people and the strengthening of our democracy. In this spirit, sir, I wish to honor his life and his contributions. In 2024, Dr. Ricky Singkon and I stood on opposite sides of the electoral contest. We debated, we differed, and we sought the trust of the same people. Yet, what I will always remember is that even in the heat of that campaign, he never succumbed to the rising trend of direct personal attack. In today's world, where politics too often slips into hostility, that restraint and dignity are qualities few understand and fewer still practice. For that, he earned not only respect from his supporters, but also from those of us who stood against him. This is a lesson we must carry forward. If we are to honor his memory, we must ensure that our politics does not become a theater of hatred, but remains a forum of ideas and service. Differences will always exist, but they must never overshadow our shared responsibility to the people of the state of Meghalaya. Dr. Singkon's journey from an academia to a public servant was marked by courage and conviction. As a teacher, he shaped minds. As a parliamentarian, he sought to shape policy. His presence in the Lok Sabha enriched its debates, and his sincerity reminded us that politics at its best is about service, not division. Honorable members, today we mourn the loss not only of a public servant, but a colleague and a son of Meghalaya. On behalf of my constituents and myself, Honorable Speaker, sir, I extend our deepest condolences to his family, his friends, and all who grieve his loss. May his soul rest in peace, and may his example of dignity and sincerity continue to guide us across party lines. Thank you.